Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. It's the end of July 2019. Too hot to be outside. So, I'm going to get started on the rebuild of the Highland Valley Railway. The more I keep looking at it and thinking about it, the deeper in I'm going. There's not going to be much of the original layout left. Although when I'm finished it won't look too much different. So I'm going to start down in this corner. Control panel number 2. And here we're going to extend this section outward. Bring the control panel outward. That will allow me, if we can see the tracks back in there, there's a little bit. That's main line. That's going to be able to come a little bit towards me. This has to be built strong enough that I can stand on to access those display cabinets there. So we're going to start there, and then we're going to add the 4 inches of shelf space here. So I'm not going to bore you with the details, videos of me screwing screws in and all that sort of stuff. I'll just take some snapshots and we'll have a slideshow of this. So, sit back and relax and enjoy the rebirth of the Highland Valley Railway. Bye for now. Well, as you can see, I'm making some progress. This piece is all done. It doesn't actually look level, but comes out really nice. I'll take you off the tripod and walk you around what I've got done so far, and then we'll look at where we're off to next. So, as I say, this piece down in here, this is all done, good and solid. And this is going to be the next stage here, getting this into here. We'll look at that again in a moment. We are pretty level. Don't want any trains tipping off the track. So that's done down into here. We've got the new control panel in, the new board for the control panel. A little bit wider than it was and about 4 inches longer than it was. 4 inches more this way. And of course a bigger area here. Now that makes it a long reach across to the back there. Matter of fact, I can't even get there. I can reach as far as that train there. For that reason, this area here will end up being somewhat of a hard standing area, an open area, so that I can climb up there and actually stand on there to access the cabinets, stuff on top, and for anything necessary back there. But anyway, quite pleased so far. Coming along well. So, what's next? Well, got to complete this. This will go on here and on down. But before I can do that, before I can figure out the length of this board here, I have to figure out where this one is going to go. Not exactly sure. I could bring it out to here. If I do that, that will give me a massive area here for the lumberyard. Massive area. But it does cut down on this control panel considerably, especially when I want to add that triangle in there as well. So, a little bit of thought time here. Am I putting this here, or am I putting it a little further back and not having quite such a big area for the lumber yard? Don't know yet. Anyway, that for another video. We'll call this part 1. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you again another time for more Trains on Tuesday. Oh, by the way, let's just go down here again. Despite the fact that all this temporary wiring is still laying here, and I've been flipping it about and moving it around, and it's just hanging here, that's not where it's going to end up. But despite all that, it still works. That's my new Eurostar. And man, does it fly! Haha! All good fun. Okay. See you again another time. Bye for now.